Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Smart Collections Plus. In this video, explore a beautiful collection of handmade crochet bag perfect for every occasion. Whether you are heading to a casual outing, the beach, or a festive event, trendy tote bags, elegant sling bags, eco-friendly shoulder bags, colorful square bags, unique vintage-inspired patterns. All bags are crafted with love, style, and durability in mind. Whether you love classic minimal looks, you will find a design that speaks to your style, perfect for gifting or your personal collection. Stay tuned for ideas, patterns, and crochet inspirations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more handmade fashion collections.